So today we are going to demonstrate the integration of a push button and a clock, the integration of a push button and a clock on the DE10 light board. So I've programmed a code to the board, which this code, what it does, it keeps the LED, that's LED 0 which I'm using, it keeps it off unless we hold down, we push button number 0, the button 0. So at the moment, as you can see, the LED is off, that is LED 0. But when I push the button, the LED begins blinking. It blinks with a cycle of 0.5 hertz. That's one cycle every 2 seconds. Yep. When I remove my finger, when I remove my finger, the LED goes off, but when I push it down again, it starts blinking. Yep. Thank you.